The Poulan Pro PR4218 chainsaw is a powerhouse when it comes to medium-duty tasks. With its 42cc 2-cycle engine and 18-inch bar, this chainsaw is perfect for storm cleanup, cutting firewood, and felling trees. The Oxy-Power technology gives this chainsaw incredible power while also being fuel-efficient and eco-friendly. The effortless pull starting system makes starting this chainsaw a breeze, reducing pulling effort by up to 30%. The super clean air filter system ensures long air filter life and reduced fuel consumption without sacrificing power. The automatic gear-driven oiler keeps the bar and chain lubricated, minimizing maintenance needs. One of the best features of the Poulan Pro PR4218 is the inertia-activated chain brake, which stops the chain automatically for safety. The reduced vibration handles help minimize fatigue during extended use. The standard chain tensioning system allows for secure and easy tensioning, making maintenance simple. Overall, the Poulan Pro PR4218 chainsaw is a top choice for those looking for a budget-friendly, gas-powered chainsaw that doesn't sacrifice power or performance. If you're in the market for a chainsaw that can handle tough jobs with ease, the Poulan Pro PR4218 is definitely worth checking out. Number 4. Black Decker LCS 12.